Welcome to our in-depth review of the Royal Hideaway Playacar, a luxurious, adults-only resort nestled in the heart of Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya. If you're dreaming of a romantic getaway or simply want to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, this might just be the perfect destination for you. So grab a virtual margarita and let's dive into what makes this resort a true gem on the Yucatan Peninsula. Let's start by talking about the accommodations at Royal Hideaway Playacar. Now, we couldn't get our hands on the exact room categories, but let me tell you, this place screams luxury from every nook and cranny. Picture this. You open the door to your room, and you're greeted by elegant furnishings, tasteful decor with modern Mexican touches, and a balcony that offers breathtaking views of either the lush gardens or the crystal-clear Caribbean Sea. The rooms are designed with comfort and style in mind, featuring all the amenities you'd expect from a five-star resort. We're talking plush beds that'll make you want to hit the snooze button repeatedly, air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, and Wi-Fi that's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. And let's not forget about the minibars. They're stocked as part of the all-inclusive package, so you can enjoy a refreshing beverage without worrying about sneaky extra charges. Oh, and did I mention the 24-hour room service? That's right, you can satisfy those midnight munchies without even leaving your cozy cocoon. While we don't have exact square footage details, rest assured that these rooms are designed to make you feel like royalty. And speaking of royalty, the bathroom amenities are fit for a king or queen, with luxury toiletries that'll make you want to accidentally pack them in your suitcase when you leave. Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, that's one of the main reasons we go on vacation, right? Royal Hideaway Playacar doesn't disappoint in this department. With 6 specialty restaurants, you'll be embarking on a culinary journey around the world without ever leaving the resort. Fancy some Mediterranean cuisine? They've got you covered. Craving authentic Mexican flavors? Say no more. How about some Italian pasta that'll make you want to book a flight to Rome? Yep, they've got that too. And for those nights when you just can't decide, there's a buffet restaurant serving up a smorgasbord of international delights. But here's where it gets really exciting. They offer a chef's table experience that'll make you feel like you're on a fancy cooking show. Imagine having a front row seat to culinary magic, with exclusive menus that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. And let's not forget about the bars. They're serving up premium brand cocktails faster than you can say, "Another pina colada, please." From fresh juices to top-shelf spirits, your glass will never be empty. Just remember to pace yourself. You don't want to miss out on all the other amazing features of the resort because you're nursing a hangover. Oh, and a little birdie told me that reservations are recommended for the specialty restaurants, especially for that coveted chef's table experience. So, don't be shy. Book ahead and treat yourself to some seriously good eats. After all that eating and drinking, you might be thinking, where can I lounge around and work on my tan? Well, my sun-seeking friends, Royal Hideaway Playacar has got you covered, or uncovered, depending on your sunbathing preferences. This resort boasts not 1, not 2, but 6 swimming pools. Yes, you heard that right, 6. It's like they took the concept of the more the merrier and applied it to pools. You've got 3 relaxation pools for when you want to float around like a carefree jellyfish, and an infinity pool that'll make you feel like you're swimming right into the horizon. The views from this infinity pool are so stunning, you might forget to blink. And let's not forget about the beach. Oh boy, the beach. We're talking about the famous Chak Halal Beach with its powder-soft white sand that's so pristine, you might be tempted to make sand angels. The crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean are perfect for a refreshing dip, and if you're feeling adventurous, the resort offers water sports like kayaking, sailing, and windsurfing. Don't worry if you're not a water sports pro, the staff is there to help you look less like a flailing octopus and more like a graceful sea creature. And the best part? The all-inclusive plan means you get beach service with loungers and towels, so you can work on your tan without lifting a finger. Just remember to reapply that sunscreen. Nobody wants to go home looking like a lobster that's been left on the grill too long. Now, let's talk about activities, because Royal Hideaway Playacar understands that while some people's idea of a perfect vacation is lounging by the pool with a good book, others need a bit more action. For the fitness enthusiasts among you, there's a fully equipped gym where you can work off all those delicious meals you've been indulging in. And if you prefer your exercise with a side of competition, there are 2 floodlit tennis courts where you can channel your inner Serena Williams or Rafael Nadal. Just don't get too competitive. Remember, you're on vacation. For those who like their activities a little wetter, there's water aerobics in the pool. It's a great way to stay fit and cool at the same time. Plus, it's hilarious to watch people trying to stay graceful while bobbing around in the water. If you're more of a landlubber, fear not. The resort organizes daily activities that'll keep you entertained. From beach volleyball to dance classes, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget about the nightly shows at the on-site theater. These dinner theater performances are a great way to end your day. Just don't be surprised if you find yourself humming show tunes for the rest of your vacation. After all that activity, you might be in need of some serious R&R. Well, get ready to say ah, because the spa at Royal Hideaway Playacar, aptly named The Retreat, is ready to pamper you into a state of blissful relaxation. Picture this. You walk into a serene oasis, the scent of aromatherapy oils wafting through the air, soft music playing in the background. You're greeted by a therapist who seems to have magic hands, ready to knead away all your stress and tension. The spa offers a range of treatments that'll make you feel like a new person. From soothing massages that'll turn you into human putty, to facials that'll have you glowing brighter than the Caribbean sun, to body wraps that'll make you feel like a pampered burrito, but in a good way. And let's not forget about the beauty center. They offer services like makeup application, hairstyling, and manicures, pedicures. So you can go from beach bum to glam goddess in no time. While we don't have the exact details on facilities like saunas or steam rooms, it's safe to assume that a spa of this caliber would have all the bells and whistles. Just remember to book your treatments in advance. You don't want to miss out on this slice of paradise because you were too busy sipping margaritas by the pool. Although, let's be honest, that doesn't sound too bad either. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the kids? Well, here's the thing. Royal Hideaway Playacar is an adults-only resort. That's right, no kids allowed. So while you won't find any kids' clubs or playgrounds here, what you will find is peace, quiet, and a whole lot of adult-oriented fun. This is the perfect place for couples looking for a romantic getaway, groups of friends celebrating a special occasion, or anyone who just wants to enjoy some grown-up time without the pitter-patter of little feet. So, leave the kids with grandma and grandpa and get ready for some serious relaxation and indulgence. Just think, no chicken nuggets at dinner, no early mornings because someone wants to watch cartoons, and no need to worry about keeping little ones entertained. Instead, you can focus on enjoying those gourmet meals, sleeping in as late as you want, and participating in activities that don't involve plastic shovels and buckets. It's like a vacation from your vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.